In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access ESPN content via Apple CarPlay for a seamless driving experience. Start by ensuring your car supports Apple CarPlay and your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later. Download the ESPN app from the App Store and sign in or subscribe to ESPN Plus for premium access. Connect your iPhone to CarPlay using a USB cable or wirelessly if supported. Once connected, open the CarPlay interface on your car's display and locate the ESPN app. If it doesn't appear, enable it in your iPhone's settings under General greater than CarPlay, greater than Customize. While video isn't supported, you can stream live sports radio, podcasts, and commentary through the app. Use your car's dashboard or steering wheel controls to adjust playback, skip tracks, or pause. This lets you stay updated with live sports safely while driving. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your favorite ESPN content on the go.